Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at the beautiful applesauce that's inside these turnovers. Look at this. Hey guys, today I'm making apple turnovers, and here's all my ingredients. Here I have some mix here that I'm gonna use for my turnovers, and I have some water there to mix. I have some sugar, grated nutmeg, I have salt, vanilla, cinnamon powder, almond spice, and rose water. You can see I have 6 apples here, 3 different types. I have some lemon zest right here. Now what I'm gonna do is, this is not a mix for pie or anything or turnovers, but I always just get things done. So guys, my ends are impeccably clean, so I'm just mixing this. This is a pizza mix though, guys. I'm using with some warm water to create this. You can always find ways. If you can't find the right stuff you need and you don't have any time to make it from scratch, you can always use a substitute. So guys, here I melted some butter to make my apple sauce for my apple turnover. So guys, here's my lovely apples, and as you know, I put them in some butter. Now I add some sugar to this. Here I have vanilla. Grated nutmeg, because I'm making a lovely applesauce here, guys. Some cinnamon powder. Some salt. You guys, here we have some lemon zest, as you know. I'm gonna put some lemon zest in here. Guys, to this I'm also gonna add some rum. I say no, Myssbrown. You can style and everything. No matter what I make, trust me, look for it. There's always a Myssbrown style. Always a style to Myssbrown cooking. I'm not gonna add any syrup to this because I've put enough sugar. So I'm just gonna let these apples cook a little. Yes, I want them to cook a little. Oh my god, guys, I just taste like this. And it is so lovely. Everything is a great combination. That lemon zest, you know that cinnamon does everything for you. The rum, oh my lord. Let's talk about that. I'm also gonna add a little almond flavor and a little rose water. You know, we can't, when it comes to the spice, it's not too much. All of these spices combined together, they give whatever you're making an excellent taste. Excellent. I'm gonna turn down the flame on this and let it cook. I just want the apples to cook and taste lovely. So guys, here's my lovely applesauce, and if it's not at the right consistency that you need it, all you have to do is add some cornstarch to it. Okay guys, and you will get it perfect. Guys, this is very lovely. It's sweet. This is sweet. It's tang. Oh my god, that lemon zest, like I said, is just everything. So put some lemon zest, or you can squeeze some lemon in there, you know. So guys, look at this, so perfect it is. This is very pretty, beautiful. So this is done. I'm gonna turn it off. So guys, here is my dough right here, and as you can see, I've cut it into small pieces. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some of my filling here in the middle. Not a lot, but you don't want it coming out to the edge too much. So this side over here is bigger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull it over here. What we're gonna do is to just base the edge. We're just gonna use it for. Don't mind those little amounts that's coming out. It's okay. It's because this one is too full. Yeah. Guys, here are my lovely turnovers, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna brush some eggs on it from the yolk of the egg. Oh, that's I don't want them to be beautiful. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes don't fall, also I'm gonna brush some on top. I don't want it to be very. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. If you really do it for this first. We're just gonna brush a small amount, not too much. You can put them on your lovely baking sheet, guys. As you can see, I'm just using aluminum foil. As you know, there are ways to get things done. There are other ways and means of getting things done without complaining that you don't have this or that. What we're gonna do now is just sprinkle a little sugar on top. And if you have granulated sugar, you know you should use that. But I'm just using just a tip of brown sugar, just a little bit. Don't want too much of it. So guys, I'm just going to cut it. I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drumming around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. 'Cause you So guys, here are my lovely apple turnovers, and I'm gonna put them in the oven now, and I'll let them stay for about half an hour to bake. So guys, there they are in the oven. So guys, here's my lovely Appleturnovers. And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be so to the skin and the moss too. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me up in calling. Even if it's just a funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me up in calling. Look how soft this is. I want to show you how soft it is. Yeah. It's very soft. Very soft. It's so soft. I'm going to break another picture of our wall. Alright. It's very soft, guys. As you can see, very soft. See?